Now, it is hard to come to San Antonio and not eat Tex-Mex, but I think you'll understand why we're skipping the combo plate when you see where we're headed. San Antonio's most historic and delicious culinary destination, the Pearl. For over 100 years, these grounds were the home of Pearl beer, which before Prohibition was the largest brewery in all of Texas and even pretty big by national standards. Now, by 2001, the brewery had closed its doors, but this whole district has found sort of a second life as a culinary destination and truly a poster child for historic renovation. Every historic building on this property was once part of Pearl Beer's massive operation. The crown jewel of the entire thing is the stately Hotel Emma that flawlessly balances rich leather and white linen next to weird rusted metal tanks and valves. It's super cool. It's named after the strong Texas woman, Emma Kaler, who ran the brewery for decades after her husband died. So it's true this brewery no longer makes Pearl beer. However, the restaurant right behind me, Southerly, is a microbrewery, and they make one called Gold Export. It's a traditional German lager that they believe is pretty darn close to the brew they used to make here over 100 years ago. So, prost, y'all. It's a shame they only had the one beer in there.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys.
Microbrewery and whatnot.
Beer aside, let's get to the food. Now, you name the type of food, chances are they have it. From the high end to the flip-flop casual, it's a food oasis in a town that's already known for great food. So how did the Pearl District become such an amazing gastronomic experience? Well, if I told you, I'd have to kill you, as the Pearl is also home to the CIA. That is, the Culinary Institute of America. And trust me, the flavors they can turn out will make you think you're dead and gone to foodie heaven. The Institute teaches our country's brightest culinary minds and even has its own restaurant named Savor, where patrons can taste the budding genius firsthand. And this is Brent Holden, one of the secret agent instructors around here. So these are all students.
This is a completely student-run restaurant. They're dealing with customers, they're back in the kitchen cooking the food, and then we send them out into the real world as graduates.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Not only do the students change often, but so does the menu.
Right now this semester we're doing Oaxacan cuisine.
Oh, cool.
Next semester we're doing Indian. So every time you come in, it might be a whole different experience for you.
I imagine it gets pretty stressful in here.
It is sort of like opening a new restaurant every 7 weeks. So we get a new batch of students, and they've never waited tables before, they've never cooked in the kitchen before, and we're starting all over again.
That sounds like the worst part of running a restaurant.
It's kind of the worst, but it's also the most exciting, and it's great to watch them grow as they progress through the program.
This has got to be the best smelling classroom I have ever been in. So let's head to the kitchen to chat with head chef and instructor, Katrina Flores Guzman. Now, how often do you make a student cry?
I can't say I've made a student cry. I do have that serious face that can scare some people,
Okay,
so you gotta be aware of that, but I always try to put a nice smile on.
Yeah. So, chef, can we take a tour of the kitchen?
Of course.
All right.
Students! We ready to take a tour around this kitchen?
That was awesome, by the way. Yes, let's go. All right, so you've designed the menu,
Yes.
and it's not like just like mac and cheese and chicken nuggets.
This is a fine dining experience.
Yeah.
So between 3 to 4 courses, people are able to order. But for this particular menu, it's Oaxacan inspired.
When someone learns to cook, they're learning much more than just food.
I came into this pretty much with no experience and low confidence, but after a while I started growing as a person, growing as a chef, and it's all in all been a great experience.
Oh, that's cool. So you're taking away a lot more than just, how to cook a mean meal.
Right, exactly.
You're doing a great job, Chloe.
Thank
If she ever makes you cry, just hang in there. It gets better.
I keep it inside.
Yeah, bury it deep inside. Time to let the students take me to school. My first course is a totella, a thin masa pocket stuffed with chorizo and cheese and garnished so pretty, I'm gonna feel bad eating it, but gonna do it anyway. That's culinary artwork, kind of like a Hot Pocket. Most delicious Hot Pocket I've ever had. Next course, a squash blossom. Stuffed with crab, lightly tempura fried, and served with mole amarillo. And when you come across something you've never had before, I get really, really excited about that. Oh, that's so good. Third, chile fideo pasta, topped with grilled quail and fresh jicama. I did get permission to use my fingers on this one. I know. We're at a nice restaurant, but I'm going in. There are parts of Tex-Mex in here, but then there's all these like traditional interior Mexican flavors that are coming out of it. Oh, I love it. To close us out, dessert. Mexican chocolate mousse cake paired with a passion fruit ice cream. I just hit like this chocolate truffle in the middle of that mousse cake. You know what I love so much about eating here? It's the feeling that you're giving back to the next generation. And eating this food is a way that I like to give back.
You think we could help the next generation?
No, you can't.
I want to help the next generation.
No. It's a unique way I help. To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.